Good day, folks, and welcome to Best Trade Setup. In this video, I'll be going over the trades from the 2nd of November 2022. If you're new to this channel, please refer to the first video in the channel where I break down exactly what the best trade setup is. Now, the best trade setup is just one setup that I look for whenever I'm trading gold. I do have another setup or different factors that I look at if the best trade setup layout is not forming. And I did show a couple of trades in the previous video from the 31st of October to the 1st of November. As time goes on, I will be showing you more of those videos in situations where the layout for the best trade setup is not present, but we do have other factors that are showing us an edge in the market. And with that, let's get to it again. This trade here is the best trade setup where we have this resistance here, or some people would call it liquidity, below the order block on the 15-minute chart. And here price went up and came back down, closed below, and that is a fake out. With the best trade setup, I'm only looking for a minimum of 5 confirmations, and then I'll enter a trade. So whenever I have a fake out, it's an automatic M pattern or a double top, as some people would call it. Excuse me. And that's 2 confirmations. We have price rejecting this quarter level and the order block. So those are 4 confirmations. And we have these 2 pin hammers here. Whenever I see 2 pin hammers in the same area, it it accounts to 1 confirmation for me. That's how I do it. That's what it has shown me to be profitable. This is what I'm sharing with you. Take from that what you will. And since now we have 5 confirmations, I will take my sell with the take profit at the low of the day. Now with every setup, which is the best trade setup, I'm usually looking for price action to reach the low of the day or the high of the day. Sometimes it will reach an order block if it's before the low of the day in reverse. Sometimes price might not even work out. That's just how the market goes. So here we can see that my stop loss got hit. And here's the thing. Sometimes when my stop loss gets hit and where the stop loss level was put in regards to this level here, if price does a fake out on this level, I would enter the trade again to give my trade a second chance. And with that, it did close below that level and I gave it a second chance. Unfortunately, my stop loss got hit, and that's fine. Not all trades work out, and we all know that in this market, so we just have to move on to the next trade. So this is price where it had hit my stop loss. So what happened, I just waited for price to reach this order block and see if it will present a trade opportunity, and it did. And here we see price doing an M pattern here, where we have a bull candle, bear candle, bull candles, and a bear candle. If you look at the line chart, you will see this as an M pattern or a double top. So that is one confirmation. This whole price action here is a fake out where price goes above and closes below. So with every fake out, it's an M pattern again. So we have 3 confirmations so far: a fake out, an M pattern, and the fake out in the form of an M pattern. Those are 3 confirmations. Price rejecting or reacting off of this quarter level and this 5-minute order block. So definitely this is a best trade setup where we have price faking out here, and the liquidity or the resistance is below the, the order block. So then I entered my trade here. In this case, I didn't put a take profit here. I just left it open and I did put the stop loss. The reason why was because price was at the high of the day, high of the week, and high of the month. Whenever you have these 3 things aligning together and other factors, considering other factors as well, price is most likely to bounce off of that area and give you a good, strong move. That's why I didn't put a take profit. And there we have price reaching this area. And what I did here was just to move the stop loss to break even. I did take some positions off the table and I left the rest running with the aim of it reaching the low of the day. And here it is just to show you on my MT5, the low of the day is here. And I did close the trade at the low of the day. So in this trade, I managed to recover my losses from the first two trades and gain a little bit of profit at the end of the day. So to me, it was an all-around good day. And with that, folks, thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from this video. Please refer to my previous videos for more information. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And with that, enjoy your day, folks, and cheers.